people, lovely ABOs and ADR. I love them. I love them all. First time we are meeting Kerala team like this, and we are feeling just we are sitting in front of each other and talking to each other like live. It is happening, and we are just sitting in a hall and talking to each other. It is very good and pleasure for us. And from Bikaner, we are it is far, far away. Kerala, once while I was there in 2015, Kanyakumari, I went there and we were just for Rameshwaram and all these things. At that moment, I was in Kerala and I was feeling I thought at that time I just want to take a seminar here and it is my wish or dream come true. And webinar I am taking now, it is a new form of taking seminar. We can say that it is a webinar, and I'm so blessed. And I just say for our mentor of mentors, Sumiji and Tanaji, they are just continuously changing lives of all over the world. And I just let's hear a great applause for them. And because of them, we are here to talk to you people and knowing to all of you. It is our great pleasure. And as far as we are just talking about mechanics all about, and we know very well beautifully about the Amway, what is Amway, how to do it. As all we know about this is the best time to build the business opportunity Amway. But rather than talking about mechanics about all these things, I would like to share my story or my journey of the Amway towards success. And this is the beautiful pathway of towards success. And it is just 21 years we are in Amway, and it is a long story. I will try to just tell you so many things, and I will try to convey my message or my thoughts to you. What I continuously thinking about Amway and what is Amway in my life. What place Amway keeps in my life. So I will try to show my feelings through this webinar. So as you all know, before Amway, we are just living very good life. As I will show a background, I was a lecturer, I am self-retired lecturer, and Vivek is superintending engineer in irrigation department in Rajasthan government. And except this, my mother-in-law was a principal and my father-in-law was an AEN, assistant engineer in this irrigation department. And my two sister-in-laws, one is doctor, both of them are younger than us, and then one is doctor and one is Rajasthan government job allied services. So we are very much busy, and all of that, we are running an institute also, coaching institute. Vivek was running a coaching institute also. So we were busy at that time, and we were very much doing well, very good in life. And you know it very well, good life is the biggest enemy of great and better life. So when we came to know about this business, we were very much busy, and I was just little apprehensive about this. Please, and we are so much busy, and we have two daughters, Pranjal and Achal, and at that moment, our elder daughter is about 1 year old and 8 months, and I just said, please don't do this business because we don't get much time for our daughter and our family and mother, father-in-law and sister-in-law. That's why please concentrate on family also. But not much negative or positive attitude of mine I show toward this business, and we just continue this business. And basically, I was very much fond of about new products. And at that time, when we joined this business, there is a kit came in our home, and I just took it very in welcoming way, and I just opened it and took out Acetate bottle. You know very well our very good product of washing clothes. I love this product very much, and Acetate is my favorite product till now. And because I have so many things, we can say I have so many allergies. I have some nausea and some irritation in nose because of that fragrance always came into that other brand of products, detergents, and there are some rashes on my hand, irritation, itchings I always feel when I washed clothes at that time. So I was very much happy when I washed the clothes, and they just give marvelous experiences to me, and they add they had more experiences in my Amway products. And at that time I was using that product, and I was not knowing anything about reading instructions about how to use all these products, and I didn't read instructions written behind the bottle, and I just used thrice times or more than thrice 3 caps full of bottle that worth of product, and I that gives wondrous results of, and I just became fan of that product. Oh, the Amway products are very good, and I was very much happy about those products. And at that moment I remember that ki Zoom come usually came in 1 liter bottle. Sea Spray, which is not available now, came in 1 liter bottle also. The big size of bottles always they usually come in, and only 10 products came at that time. But I was so happy because of I'm fond of products, and I was using those products. And I just want to tell you something. I am from basically a rich culturally heritage city, Ajmer. You have heard about that. Nearby Pushkar and Muinuddin Chishti Dargah is there, and so many people know about that city. And I am the only girl child of my parents amongst 2 siblings. And my parents were in Ajmer, they are still in Ajmer. And my father was a businessman, and my mother is a homemaker, and my brothers and elder brother is an entrepreneur, and my younger brother is in US chasing plastic money, and home deliveries is coming to your home, and very easily courier services available, and changing product, you can avail the guarantee properly. Everything you can do very easily, but at that moment not possible for us to do all these things. But at that time I was telling the difficulties, you can say, when we were building the business at that time, 21 years before, at that time, because we are very much passionate about this business, and we are a big dreamer about this business. So that's why we never lost our faith in this business, and made every problem head on, and we just continue and building our team continuously, or we just going and going, and because we just fixed our dream to complete with this business only. And we just came to know कि if we are dreaming these things, so we will get only from this business only. We are not able to get this from our jobs. Even I'm a lecturer or at that moment, and he is an engineer, and we were knowing it very well कि his career in his job is well renowned, and he will become a chief engineer after some time. But we know very well कि chief engineer's lifestyle, what will happen in future. We were knowing it very well because we are living nearby chief engineer's house, and we know very well what our future is going to happen. Just like so we decided to, because we are dreamer, and we want to live a very great life. Just I said before, not good life, great life. So we decided to pursue this business continuously. Any type of challenges came in our life, we just pursue this. And when we achieved the platinum pin, my second daughter came in this world in our life, and we achieved that platinum pin in that month also. So even people say ki we have little kids, and we have joint family, we are having marriages in our family, we are building houses. And so I said ki 21 years is not less time to tell anybody ki I have kids also, I have give birth a baby also. There are marriages in my house. Both younger sister-in-laws got married at that time only, and my in-laws parents, they are with us now, and we are living very good life. And they just helped in business every time, or they are helping us today. Still they are helping us in business. They are not obstacles in our life, they are just helping hands. They are just creating our life. They are helping creating business very well. So I don't think people say ki we are living in joint, we are living in nuclear, or we are having babies, and we are babies in 12th or in college. A 21-year time is so long ki everybody can understand ki what type of life I have. I am continuously leading in this manner, and there is so many turning points in my life happening continuously. And after achieving founder platinum pin, I quit my job and devoted my time to Amway business and my family, and raising kids and taking care of in-laws. And this is the best time I feel my life ki I quit job, because before that I was just feeling very much I can't explain ki very much matlab ki feel very much messy in my life every time ki I'm just running and running and running just like a kolu ka bell. I don't know what to say in Malayalam or what else. Or I will just get up in 5 o'clock morning and till 12 p.m. I have to work. I had to work now. It is freedom for me only. But this is the one thing I just came in my mind. Ki, especially for ladies, I just want to know what is being diamond. What do you think? What is being diamond? Being diamond means you have money, time, security, freedom, and health and happiness. But there are most of us here. We are listening. We are from very good homes. We are homemakers. We are getting time. We are getting security. We are getting money. So many things. We are an ample amount in our life, and we are having all these things. But there is something that is very much important. That is recognition and achievement feeling is absent. You are not getting the recognition and achievement in your life, but we are leading a very good lifestyle already, like just diamond lifestyle, homemakers. Okay, if we are having money, all this, so we can say this, okay, we are leading very good lifestyle. But achievement and sense of recognition is absent. That's why with our monotonous lifestyle, with nothing to look forward to, we are just leaving our life, but we are nothing to do with that, and we are no aim, no targets, no dreams. But this is the high time, I said to all my great women leaders, to my all women entrepreneur, this is the high time to take charge of your life and complete your dreams through Amway. Take charge of your life. Don't feel that you have nothing to do in your life. Please take charge. You are in charge of your life. You are the driver of your life. You can do anything with your dreams, with your Amway. Amway gives us this opportunity to make our dream big and complete. Dream big. Just somebody is using the dream big. Yes, it is very necessary to dream big. When we dream big, we just work hard and harder, and then it becomes the smart work after some time. Just now we are living like this, it is a smart work, and my team also getting the benefit from all the efforts we happening in Amway, in seminars or everything. My team is working, and I am here with you, and I'm not doing for my team anything just now. I'm talking to you, but my team is working continuously, and I'm getting the benefit of this. Vice versa, it is happening. Not I'm getting the benefit of this, they are also getting the benefits of all these things happening from them. So just now I was telling ki I have two daughters, so I just want to tell them, I want to tell you ki my elder daughter is Pranjal. She is pursuing MBA from Jamshedpur XLRI, and my second daughter Aanchal, she is in class 12th. And as you know, ki they are also a big dreamer, and very good education I could provide them since childhood. It is very much blessed. I feel blessed very much ki I gave much time to them, and I just happy with them and spending time with them like a quality time. And because of Corona, they are here and at home, and we are living very good quality time nowadays, because my elder daughter at the age of 17, she went to Jaipur Engineering College, MNIT, and she completed her engineering from Jaipur and itself. And then in first attempt, she cleared the Z exam, and she is in Jamshedpur now, but she is with us now, or she is doing her MBA last year. And now there is something happened in everybody's life, turning point, basically we can say that is the turning point. Like this turning point, it happened in my life also in 2007 December. There is a life-altering situation happened, and that is Vivek was in a major accident, and his car collided back into the truck, and his friend on the spot died, and my father-in-law and Vivek injured badly. And at that moment, Vivek thigh bone called femur broken into two pieces, and the knee bone called patella broken into three pieces. And the more worse conditions I can explain, but sorry, I couldn't all these things again and again. I just don't want to remember those things. But this is the turning point of my life, because when we heard the word business, every time we just think about money, money, money. And at that moment, before the accident happened in our life, I just thought every time that this is the business of earning money. But after this point, matlab ki, my perspective of this business totally changed. And I think this is the business for growing and developing in all area of life, in all aspects of life, like spiritually, socially, mentally, physically, emotionally. Why I this feel about this, because my teammates at that time, I feel ki I didn't earn money. I earned people more. People respect, people love, people care, or people's prayer also. We earned at that time. At that time, my father-in-law and especially Vivek was on deathbed totally, and doctors just said ki what will happen, God knows. Just pray for them, ki just save them, or pray for them, or कहेंगे कि दुआओं का ही असर होगा, भगवान से प्रार्थना करिए. They just said all these things to us. So at that moment, I and Vivek never felt alone because of our teammates. They just, what they helped us, tan man dhan, they just put everything on us, and they were just serving us, and they are helping us like anything. They are unconditional and immense support. I can't forget. Still now, they just gave. At that moment, I think this is the business. This is the beauty of the business. I earned people in this business, not money, not anything else. People, which I can't earn in his service also, in my service also. My father-in-law was also in a job. They couldn't get that type of respect, their love, their care. Everybody was just staying in night, and whole day I was not knowing what is happening. Somebody is bringing fruit, somebody is paying our bills, somebody is standing out nearby us and just taking care of blood. Everything was great, and I was not feeling this ki what is happening, what I did and what we did in this business. Ki at that moment everybody was in hospital. Other people was saying ki who is that person, how many people are continuously coming, 200 to 300 people every time there, and came and see us and meet. They are just meeting us, and they are just praying us, and they are bringing the prasad and all, and fool mala, and they are just giving us that prasad, and that is the great feeling of that thing. And all doctor said for Vivek ki he is not able to go, he will be in bed for at least 1 year. But defying all doctors' predictions, he is not survived, but he's recovered in 3 months and drove his car to the office itself. And this is the all thanks to Neutralite. All thanks to Neutralite, and we never opted for anything else except Neutralite. Neutralite protein powder, calcium, omega, so many Neutralites I gave him, and except painkillers, we just use only Neutralite, and Neutralite. And this is the reason he just recovered in 3 months and drove his car to the office by himself. Because of this, this is the main reason, again, creating our faith more strong, more powerful towards Amway and towards Amway products. I feel this is the main reason. This is my turning point to become very much fan of Amway and Amway products. And after this major accident happened, we took 2 trips, which is very much hectic. You know very well, Vaishno Devi trip, and he did a journey on his foot, and just went to the Vaishno Devi by walking. And after this, we just went to the Phuket also with family trip, my both daughters with us at that time. And I feel every time very much blessed. And this opportunity came into our life, and we utilized it very well, and hope for same for the you to understand this business extraordinary potential. And please, please, please do this business for your future, for your children's future, for your family, for your health. And the more merrier, the more the merrier. It is this type of business, the more, and the merrier, the merrier. Now over to Vivek.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much, Amrita. Vanakkam once again. Thank you. Thank you so much for patient, for listening. And she was my better half. She has already taken more than half the time. So, we know we all are core ABOs, and we are enjoying by core of our heart each and everything. And first of all, a big thank you for our country mentor, our mentor upline, Mrs. Tania and Mr. Sumit Bahadurji. As Amrita already said, that it's always being pleasure with him. Just his one eye can make our day. His one eye can make our day for many more other days to come. So life has been very beautiful right from the beginning. I have been into Rajasthan government job since last more than 24 years. And I'm working as a superintending engineer from last 3 years, and still 13 years job is remaining, but I am very much sure that I will not be able to do it fully because I do not want to do it. But I have heard, I have taken an impression from the people that people don't like that you have to, that when you say that you will quit the job, people don't like this. People like that while doing the hectic job and while doing all the things, we have been able to do diamonds, and we are going double diamonds and triple and everything up to Founders Crown Ambassador. Each and every one of our aim should be, and we will go. This is just the process. These all things are just the milestones. So when I started the business, as Amrita already told you, that life was very well placed and it was well settled and we were doing quite good. But everything is a God's plan. So we joined this business. I am skipping that journey because I will take just 10 to 15 minutes and I will try to cover a few key points. Otherwise, you all are very intelligent. Kerala is our first state which is 100% literate state. And we are even struggling now. Also, we are struggling that we are not 100% literate. Literacy, I don't want to go in that field. Let's come back to the point. So when I joined the business, I thought that if initially we rejected this business, but the business was being told by my real cousin, who is doctor in UK nowadays, and his real Jijaji and my cousin Jijaji was an IAS officer. So they were pressing quite hard that Vivek, you should do this business. But I was pressing reversely hard that you even should not do this business because this is some member making schemes and this is some pyramid system or this, that, or we cannot say anybody, or we are technocrats, so we can design the bridges, we can design the dams, but we cannot do this type of business. But ultimately, it's all God's plan. And I was entered into the business by seeing a seminar from Mr. Kulin Desai in Jaipur. And from that seminar, I came to know that if I will become successful in this business, which is mostly unlikely to be, but if I become successful in this business, then that success cannot be compared with the success which I am going to get in my career, in my coaching center, or in my government job. Success is unmatchable, impeccable. Amazing success is there in Amway if we are successful. But it is most unlikely because I thought that 99% chance I will not be able to make up it. But if we fail also, then I need not to quit my job. I need not to spend a lot of money. So a quite logical decision was for me. So let's give it a try. And I am so lucky that I become silver just in 2 months of time. And here comes our applying Sumit Bahadur sir's roles. First interaction with Sumit Bahadur sir. So when I become silver, we joined this business in January 2000 and went silver in Feb 2000. And at that time, we had only one leg because structure was Though I am a structural engineer, M.Tech structures from Delhi College of Engineering, but I could not get the detail of structure from MWay. What structure means in MWay? I thought, oh, it's only volume and this like that. But MWay pays us through structure and volume both. Structure is much important thing, but that I came to know later on. So in Feb midway, I came to know that this is my last chance to go silver. Otherwise, next month my downline will go silver, and I would not be able to maintain side volume of 4,000 PV. So I went silver in Feb 2000. Then, while coming from Delhi, as Amrita already told you, Delhi is 550 kilometers away from our Bikaner. And while we were coming in my Maruti 800, my downline Vipin Popli, we thought that what the good karmas we have done in our life, what the good things we have done. So whole life work has been completed in just 2 months. Now from next month, royalty income will come. And now what we'll do with by running this coaching center? But coaching is our passion. Doing job is our passion. My father's dream is he wants to see me as a chief engineer. So what should I do? We thought that we will teach students free. We will teach poor students free from next month. But as soon as we reached to Bikaner, in today is the first day of November next month, and that was only 2-3 days of the 3rd March. A big article came in a big newspaper of our Rajasthan Patrika. MWay जैसी कंपनियों से सावधान. Beware of the companies like MWay. Oh, big article. I thought, what is this nonsense? And people came to my home and gave all the kits and everything. Okay, written this is not good, this, that. Long story cut short. And the business was from there to just downstream. And then people told that this is not the good thing. You should also quit the business. I told them that this is not the way. This newspaper person is not from the God's own place, that is a Kerala. It's God's own place, but not the newspaper people. So he might be writing anything else. Tomorrow he will do some sorry feelings like that, but nothing happened and business went down. And in March also we went for my downline sales pin completion. We went to Delhi, and there I saw Tanya ma'am and Sumit sir were standing there. Oh, they were so, they are so handsome, so gentlemen, so beautiful to see the sight. I just went there and I introduced myself. Good morning, sir. I'm Vivek from Bikaner. New silver in your team. Okay, good. How are you doing, Vivek? So I was just like a kid. I told him, sir, nothing is going good. This, that, came in newspaper, this, that. He was saying, good, great, good. So I said good for 4th or 5th time. Then I am basically by nature, I'm an engineer, and I lost my patience. And I said, sir, what is so good about it? And what is so great about it? You are saying good for consistently 5th time. And my business has shattered totally. I was thinking of teaching free students, but there is now people have returned the kits. I have come by getting a lorry and paying all the money and giving this kit returns and this, that. So he told, okay, listen. And then he told me a story, which was a turning point in our career. He told that he is applying. Pat Kaufman told him a story in South Africa, that when in South Africa, the farmers, the cultivators, always pray that a hot wind should always blow in particular time of the season. In the hot wind, we say this is loo. Tera aana bhi garmiyon ki loo hai. ऐश्वर्या राय का गाना सुना ना आपने कि हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे गर्मियों के अंदर लू चलती है, तो तेरा आना भी गर्मियों की लू है. तो साउथ अफ्रीका आल्सो दिस इज कॉल्ड लू. What is this loo is concerned with our business? Then listen patiently. Then they say whenever the loo is blown, then the fruits which are not in good shape, fruits which are gala sada fruits jo hota hai, fruits which are not good, rotten fruits, they all fell down automatically with that loo, and farmers need not to cut those trees, and that saves their lot of hard work and their value. So Vivek, mind it, every year you should have one major negative position in your group, so that the weak people in your group will leave you and you will save your time. And if you are strong enough, you will go to pinnacle of your success. So that was the very good thing, and that was the turning point. So things happen, people come, people go. That is the nature of this business. But the business of 2000 and the business of 2020, totally 180-degree different. Had this been 2000, we would not have been talking like this, sitting more than 4,000 or 3,000 or 2,800 kilometers away, but feeling as if we are sitting in front of each other. This is the technology. And our Amway is the business, is a trade with technology. You imagine the trade of that time. Your Emirates leader also spoke in your panel discussion. When people used to go on the camels with lot of luggages and staying in the jungles and all these things. But here in our Amway business, we are doing from home itself. No boundary. Whether we are in USA or in UK or in China or India, everywhere you can build this business. But no other business is giving you any inspiration, any motivation daily. But here I don't know why we need inspiration, motivation each and every day. People have to be in consistent touch, because the nature of this business is like that only. Because we don't have a big stake in this business. If we had we started a small business, then also we would have invested crores of rupees. But in this huge business, huge potential business, we have not invested our money. And it is the money, or it is the boss, which pressurizes you or which makes you going. And here, because there is no loss, there is no boss, so people get excited easily and get demotivated even easierly. You understand? So in order to make this business a big success, system is the key. System is the key power for this business to make success. We went platinum in 2007. Our first trip was Mediterranean cruise. Simultaneously, we went founder platinum. Then we went emerald in 2009 after our major accident. Just after our major accident, we went emerald. Then we went founders emerald. 2017, we went diamonds. And 2022, we are going founders executive diamond. Amway's new global award recognition, Amway's Core Plus, Amway plan has changed the complete scenario. I used to listen from the CDs that you have to have very good quality products and plan to support the business. But I didn't understand the value of plan. I thought what plan will do? Anybody can make good plan, better plan, best plans. But if products are not there, no plan is going to survive, no plan is going to sustain. You can be earning huge income, but for a very short period of time, because in order to have a sustainable business, it is ultimately at the end of the day, it is the product count. So it was the products, it was the quality of the products, it was the pricing of the products, it was the usefulness of the products, it was the company's initiatives, which always kept me motivated. It is not the plan, though Core Plus plan is an amazing plan. But before Core Plus also, it was the amazing plan. Plan cannot make the people. People can make the plan, but plan may become 10 times beneficial. But if we are doing zero, but what the plan will do. So Core Plus plan is rewarding us on our core values only. Core Plus plan is not giving us anything extra to do something extra. It is something quite amazing. I am getting overtime bonus without doing the overtime. In office, you can do the overtime and you can get the overtime bonus somewhere in the offices, not there in Rajasthan government. But in Core Plus plan, Amway is not saying us that do this something extra and then you will be rewarded. Amway is saying that keep your core values intact and Core Plus will reward you accordingly automatically. In core values, in the life journey of an ABO, Amway business owner, whatever may be our name, Amway direct seller or Amway direct retailer, we into our core of our heart, we know that we are Amway business owners, because we have come across it with quite logical mind. Suppose from tomorrow, Amway is launching one new product. It launch will start at 7, only 5 minutes remaining. Launch will start at 7 p.m. Amway will launch the product. Amway has developed the product. Amway will launch the product. People will purchase the product. And tomorrow itself, 30,000-40,000 rupees will be in my account. It will be shown on my mobile. I will not be able to sell even a single product. I will not even promote the product. But this is the power of the network. So we build the business once. Leaders build the business once, they build the business right. We have to build the business, as Amrita told, for our future. We have to build the business for our generations, for our society, for our country. In Amway, I can say that it's not only the tomorrow will be beautiful. Today is the beautiful and tomorrow will be even more beautiful. We are having a journey in which we are always coming across the beautiful milestones. It is the journey which we are enjoying each and every step. It is not like that then when we will become Founders Crown Ambassador, then only we will become successful and we will enjoy. When I went diamond in 17 years of time, so a lot of people, one people wrote in Facebook that, okay, sir, it's good achievement, but not that great. It's not great because you have taken too much time. You have taken 17 long years. I told him, okay, you can do in 9 months also. Dr. Harbhajan Singh Brash did in 9 months only. But it is not the matter that when I become diamond, then only I become successful. When I joined the Amway business, I was successful right from the day one, because right from I am using the world-class quality products. This is a success. I am saving my money. This is a success. When I reach to 3%, is a 3% success level. When I reach to 9%, 9% success level. Bronze is the best pin. Nowadays in Core Plus, we always focus on bronze. One has to focus on bronze. If we become bronze, perfect bronze, then nobody can stop us becoming Founders Platinum, Emerald Diamond, Founders Diamond, and Double Diamond, and all these things. So each and every level is a level of success. And in what other field of the life we don't have the success levels? Do not we have success level in our professional fields? We have junior engineers, assistant engineers, executive engineers, superintending engineers, additional chief engineers, chief engineers. We have lower divisional clerk, upper divisional clerk, office superintendent. We have then administrative officers. We have assistant directors, deputy directors, joint directors, additional directors, directors. Similarly, the success levels are here. So do we say that assistant director is a failure person and only the director in the organization is a successful? Assistant director is successful at his own level and director is successful at his own level. So we are successful at each and every step of our Amway business. We need not to be worried about always the next and next level and forget about the pleasure of present level. And we should not always be enjoying the present level and forget about the future level. It is always the balance. Life is the name of the balance. We have to enjoy whatever we are today, and we should always plan for a better tomorrow. Had people not planned for better tomorrow, we would have not tested this Zoom, we would not have tested this YouTube, we would not have tested this Google. We would have been running and hunting the shikars and eating our meals like that. We would not have been wearing these ties and coats and everything. It's all about the success principles. It's all about the dreamers. And we are the dreamers people. We are in the best business because of the grace of the God. And it was such a nice thing. It was such a nice, wonderful pleasure to talk to you, though it is a one-side talk, but I am seeing a lot of faces here. So smiling faces. So thank you so much, Sumit sir, once again. So my time is up, I think. And sometimes else we will